camera will pick it up. I'll show you once I get this taken out that the boot is just shredded in this thing. So this is what it looked like under there, and as you can see, the seals and the rubber boot is entirely blown out of this one. Well, when it comes to removing these covers, there's a few tools you can employ to do this, but I have found that one of the simplest methods, and by far the quickest, is to just get rid of it. So with the cover off, we are ready to remove that little snap ring right down there, and then we can start our process of rebuilding this. And here is what the Rezepa high-angled adapter looks like when it's all finally put on and in place. And here's the part after the installation. So all torqued down, 15 foot-pounds at the end here.